to show you a little bit of the Wilderness Lodge. So this is the little arch that you go under when you pull into here.
Guard gate. Make sure that only guests or people with dining reservations or need to be here come in.
Yep. So as you can see, this place is themed so well. I mean, they even have the logs, like with the lanterns to kind of light your way.
It's basically like you're at a big a lodge in the North Woods.
Yeah, and
think Uncle Buck.
Yeah.
But there's the lodge house. It's beautiful.
Yeah, this is the lodge house over here. It's so gorgeous. And like when you get here, you turn to the left for guest parking. But yeah, we like it here a lot. All right, so as you walk up the stairs from the parking lot.
You're always taking shadow.
See, isn't it really awesome? We love it here so much. You have flowers. Here at the front, you got the stop for the tragical depressed. And here we are.
You want to go to the mercantile and see if our stuff is here?
Yeah. Hello, how are you?
Hello there.
That's a big old totem pole. So the mercantile is over here as you enter the lobby to the right. That is awesome. As a matter of fact, once you enter the mercantile, you can see you can buy that. I might have to do that.
No, we don't have those.
See, they got fire burning over there.
Evens it out, the average. You make it average.
You're taking pictures of us?
Oh, we're vloggers, so.
We'll make it.
Well, YouTube famous.
But unfortunately, in social life today, infamous is worth more than famous.
Yeah, that's very.
I want to make you infamous.
Unfortunately, that's true. Yes.
It's sad but true.
I'm trying to make sure I grab the right ones.
I need this one to pencil.
Josie, okay, you can have that pencil, that pen. That's fine. Remember, you're buying with your own. Oh, look at that.
I wonder if that's the mug.
They have like cookingware. Yeah, put him back. So, and then you come back here and you can get some snacks and drinks and stuff for your room. And they got, in case you have a kitchen, like in one of their DVC rental places. And then they have toiletries and such. Alright, one of the coolest features here at the Wilderness Lodge is this indoor fountain. And you can walk across this bridge over the water. You can see the water flows outside. So cool. So they've got plenty of places out here in the lobby to sit, including 2 fireplace seatings. And you make this turn, there's DVC. Up that way is Whispering Canyon Cafe. And we're gonna walk down this way. Huh? Yep, that's Artist Point. Over here, that is Signature Dining. So everything is so detailed. And as you're walking, you can see a view of the falls over here and some of the rooms. And you can go out to the pool here to the right. And you can see Seven Seas Lagoon over there, or Bay Lake. You can catch a boat, Magic Kingdom, and the campground over there. And this way to our elevators.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep,
And your Mickey.
that's our room. I want to go ahead and give you guys a quick room tour. So as you come in, on the side you have this little storage area that has ice bucket and a coffee maker. We unplugged that because we needed room for outlets. And as you can see, I kind of rigged the coffee thing to hold that up because it keeps sliding down. That's pretty funny. So over here we have the closet. This is mostly my stuff, like my toiletry stuff in here. But yeah, decent sized closet. And as you turn over towards here, we have the sink area. There's a double vanity. That's a good thing. Hi. You can see how well themed this place is. Like the wallpaper, you can see is raised and it's got like little leaves inside of it. So in here, one of the cuter things about this place is the bathroom. And here inside the shower you have Chip, Dale, Bambi, and I think that's Miko from Pocahontas. But it's got like a faux wood for the shower. That's really, really cool. And then you come in here, we got 2 queen beds. Hi, Gooch.
Hi.
You have a picture here of a wall. Oh, and I just noticed this. On the bed, look in the, look in here. They have Thumper on the pillow. That's really cool. And then you can see the detail on the backboard here. That is so awesome. And then if you look, you actually,
Bless you.
Thank you.
on the bedpost you have the light switch.
Why didn't they in the Okay, day.
She's got to get her 2 cents in. So you have the little center console thing between the 2 beds, and then the beds are identical. Then you have a little space over here. You have a coat rack over here. Check that out. Yeah, Donald, Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto in there. That's really cool. Then this is storage area for clothes. And you can see we've got our crap spread out all over that, but this is where the TV is. Everything is wooden. It's really cool. And then you got a little area over here with, and once again my crap is all over there, I apologize. But we got chair and table. See the detail, and then you have another mirror. Hi. And then, isn't that cool how they just put those little details in there? And then you have, oh, I just noticed the bed. Look at the tops of the bed. Yeah, okay, so you got a rabbit over there. And it looks like a bird. Is that a woodpecker? I think it's a woodpecker. And there's, shut up, prairie dog, and another little rabbit over there. That's really cool. I just noticed that. All right, so we were supposed to have like a courtyard view. No, we don't have a courtyard view. We have a pool view. So if I can figure out how to get this door open. Oh, over here. Josie, please go sit down. So you take this off. Not very good. Josie, please move.
Stop it. I'm not.
There we go. Oh, this was open the entire time. Nice. So you got a little place here, a little patio area. So if you want to come out here and have a beer or whatever. And this is our view. Oh, wow. Okay, so these are other rooms over here of the lodge, but you can see down there. Yep, you got the new pool area and the splash area for the kids. And over there you can see Bay Lake. So we actually have a pool and water view. That's really awesome. It's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous here. So that is our room tour. Hope you liked it. All right, so after somewhat of a rest,
About 40 minutes.
about 40 minutes rest, we are off to Saratoga Springs to take the DVC tour. I'm not sure if we can take you guys along. If so, we will. If not, we'll just tell you about it later. So let's go. So we are here at Saratoga Springs.
Gorgeous property.
It's very gorgeous.
Looks like it's attached to Lake Buena Vista Golf Course.
Yeah, it is. I've only been here like one other time, and it was like we just did a resort hop type thing. But to do the DVC tour, we pull up here to the carriage house, which is like their little check-in area.
I want to do it again.
Alright, we're gonna ask.
Future architect at work.
Yeah. A boot. A boot. A boot.
It is a roof.
Architect in the making.
We're working on it.
Alrighty, so here is the menu here at Whispering Canyon Cafe. Quick gander through here. This is the drink. And then here is the dinner options. Our go-to is always this right here, the all-you-can-eat skillet, but as you can see, they do have another a la carte menu. So, and then if you have an allergy, so yeah, this vlog won't come out until after we announce
It's
it.
been a very eventful day
You think?
for the Disney games because we were late to our dining reservation here at Whispering Canyon Cafe. And do you want to know why we were late to our dining reservation?
Tell us, why were we late?
Do you want to know why?
Why?
Because we just made the list of Disney Vacation Club members.
Yay!
We became DVC members today. It is January 30th. The time was approximately 6:11 p.m.
Yep.
when it became official. Okay, hang on a second. And we became DVC members, and we are now owners at Copper Creek at Wilderness Lodge
Yes.
as our home site.
Yes. Very, very
So,
excited.
eventful day. Very excited. You know, when we went in there, we weren't expecting to do that.
No, we were just expecting to listen to it because we knew we were going to do it.
Yeah, and
But-
you know, when it was explained in the terms that the money that we spent the last 3 trips could have paid for a membership,
Yes.
and we have nothing to show for those last 3 trips other than memories, and now we're owners.
No, not that the memories weren't
Not
flipping
that the
awesome,
memories weren't
but
awesome, but now we're owners for the next 50 years.
yes.
We always have a home at DVC
Yes.
Copper Creek.
Yes.
So,
She wants a movie.
She wants a movie. We're gonna give her something here.
Like, she's coloring.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Alright, some of the decor.
I just want you to be safe.
So you have a view in the windows here, and then you have a view out here of the lobby. And there you go. And Sergio's not working tonight, so.
No Sergio. But we do have Buttercup.
We do have Buttercup, yes.
It's not Princess Buttercup, and there's no Wesley.
No Wesley.
Although I may ask, where's Wesley?
Please don't.
Oh, come on. It's all about having fun.
Lord.
We're going to ask about Wesley. See if she gets the reference.
If she gets it,
I'm sure she will. She's probably not the first time she's heard it.
I can't imagine. So you get a salad to start off with, and then you get cornbread and butter. Yummy! Okay, so you got this, what, the Western spring rolls?
Pork spring rolls.
Pork spring rolls. But look at that. That's the Western chips monstrosity. And it comes with like a chili, a queso, and a salsa. That's a lot of chips. Holy crikey. To the game, but there is the all-you-can-eat skillet.
And we've already put a big dent in it.
We already put a good-sized dent in it, and it's still
Too much.
yeah. And then Josie has chicken tenders and fries, because that's how she roll. That's how Jedi rolls.